Meshmixer can be a good help, especially when your scans are not perfect. Like this one, I need to work it a little bit, so I went into Meshmixer, select S, make sure that you have a fully closed selection. You can remove this too. Always make sure you have a closed selection, otherwise you end up cutting many things, and I may want to cut this a little bit. And you see here, that's a problem. If you don't correct this, some software will have a big problem trying to figure out what is exactly what you need. So I'm done, but I want to show you something. I had problems with this model because when I segmented with a couple of software, there was some difficulties. So what I did was, first of all, you press W for wireframe and you make this bigger. And the problem I was having was in this area. So the best thing to do is you press W for wireframe, and I had problems with these two teeth segmenting. So I'm going to look at the mesh to see if there are any problems. So I do a mesh query, and you can see that immediately the rest of the model is pretty cool. There's nothing special, but as soon as I go here, you can see that there are some issues right there, especially here. So this means that these triangles are not correctly closed, and when you want to segment, you end up in trouble. So what you want to do is you Control A to select everything, you go to Edit, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remesh the whole model, and this will solve the problem. So that's a trick I'm giving you. Meshmixer is a free software, and it's not hard to use for this system. And now you have done the correction, so you accept it. I need to clear the selection, and then maybe I can check again, and now everything is remeshed correctly, and now I should be able to segment the model like this one very well. It happens more with tabletop scanners, so be careful. If you can segment, it's probably because your mesh is not correct. Thank you.